आहियां फ़क़ीर लाशारी ऐं अॼु अव्हां सां लाइव आहियां इंग्लैंड जे शहर ब्राइटन खां जंहिंमें यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ससेक्स आहे ऐं इहा मुंहिंजे लाइ अॼु इंतिहाई ख़ुशी जी ॻाल्हि आहे ऐं मांझंद जी मिट्टी खे बि इन ते फ़ख़्रु ऐं गुरूर हुअणु खपे। मुंहिंजो तालुक़ु मांझंद सां आहे ऐं अॼु मुंहिंजे नंढड़े जी जेका ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी आहे and he has made us very proud, so it's a very sensational emotional moment for us, the whole family, as well as for the city of Manjhind as well. So मूंसां गॾु आहे मुंहिंजो नसीर जंहिं जेको आहे मेडिसन में ഡിഗ്രി कई आहे ऐं अॼु खां ही ऑफिशियली डॉक्टर हूंदो। So let's meet with Naseer, and we are at the coast of Brighton Sea, and let's talk to our Naseer, who has made proof of whole family as well as the area of Manjhind and district Jamshoro. हिन जेका डिग्री हासिल कई आहे यूके जे जेके 10 मेडिकल कॉलेज टॉप आहिनि, is one of them is the Brighton Medical College. And Naseer, how you feeling today? So mashallah, you made us very proud.
It's really good. So my name is Naseer Lashari. I'm born and grown up in Pakistan, so having to be proud of that is a very big thing. And having graduated today, it's so real and inspiring for everyone in Pakistan as well. No one should stay back. Even people in the UK as well as in people in Pakistan should always strive to do better, be the best they can. And alhamdulillah, it's been the help through of my dad, my family, that I've accomplished all of this. And I just want to thank everyone for everything that they've done for me as well.
Of course, हीअ जेका मूवमेंट आहे तमामु ई जेको आहे सो वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड इमोशनल, एज़ आई सेड। ही पहिरियों आहे असांजो ॿारु जेको मेडिसन में बि आयो ऐं ही हैज़ मेड प्राउड ऑफ अस। ही इज़ अ ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम द यूनाइटेड किंगडम, इज़ वन ऑफ द टॉप मेडिकल कॉलेज।
मेरी पहचान आवाज़ है वक्त को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें।